Alright everybody, welcome to another video. And I was going to actually wait until all the stuff came in today for me to make this video. It was going to be the November EDC put together video. But I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of this one item before the rest of the stuff comes. I figured this one is going to take a while. This is one of them. I'm going to put that to the side. There was another one that just came in with this package. Alright, here we go. This is the Roxon Phantom S802 Phantom. Okay, and this is a multi-tool. And well, let's do an unboxing. See what comes with all the stuff. Kind of somewhat suspicious packaging. It's kind of like just put together, no syringe wrap or nothing. Just boom. Anyway, here we go. Alright, so it comes in a carry case, belt carry case. Here is some literature, some manual directions. Okay, it comes with an Allen wrench and a couple of extra wire cutters, blades, replacement blades. Alright, this is the Phantom S802. Alright, and it comes with the belt pouch. Let's open it up. Alright, got this out. What else is in here? This comes with some bits. And that's it. Alright. Pretty bulky pouch. I won't be using this. The reason I got this tool, oh, it's pretty hefty. And it's about maybe 3/4 of an inch thick. Definitely over 1/2 inch thick. Oh, not bad. Pretty smooth. It's got the pliers. And spring loaded. Okay. Okay, right here. Let's go over here. This lever here that you can use to push up all the tools, to expose all the tools to access them. Okay. You got the can opener with a small flat tip driver. You got the a hole punch, and you have the Phillips screwdriver, and the bottle cap lifter with a pry tool right here. All right, close that up. Boom. Okay, that's the saw. Liner lock. Okay. What else we got here? Push this button. I guess something is supposed to come out if you push this button. I don't know. All right, let's go over here. Got the blade. Yeah, feels sharp. It feels like brittle steel. I don't know. I don't know how tough that is. I don't know what kind of steel it is. Okay. And these levers, I believe, are to take the covers off so you can replace blades. So those are one of the reasons that interested me in this multi-tool, was because you could actually replace the blades. Like my friend Antoine Fett, he got the GOAT tool where you can replace the tools on it, but this one you can replace the bits. Now I can't figure out how to take the scissors out. I think you push this button. I don't know, I'm pushing the button. Oh, there it is, okay. Whew, that was a little strenuous. All right, and then you got the scissors, full size, spring-loaded scissors. Pretty cool. Oh, how do you? Okay, you have to press that button. Okay. All right. Yeah, well, I guess once you learn how to do it, everything it happens a little smoother. But all right. I wasn't really keen on trying to get another Leatherman type kind of tool, but the EDC pouch that I'm putting together, I wanted a bit driver and a multi-tool that handles all the can opening and screwdriver, all that kind of stuff. So I decided to go with this. Also, you know, the ability to change the blade kind of appealed to me, and I think this makes a pretty good secondary blade. You know, so it is a huge, chunky multi-tool, though. Oh, I don't know. It's gonna be, this alone is probably, it's gonna be the majority of the weight of the whole EDC pouch. But the number one reason I chose this over any other kind of multi-tool was because of the bit driver that it came with. I can tell already there's some some oil, or I don't know. Whenever you see residue and stuff like that on a piece of product straight from the factory or retailer, you kind of have to question their manufacturing process. Okay, here you go. I don't know. These bits don't look very precision-ish. They're probably real cheap quality, but it's a 4mm bit system, just like, yeah, you could tell they're not very high quality bits. But wanted to mainly get it for this because I didn't want to buy another bit driver. Here, let me get these tools out, and I think this Phillips screwdriver right here is what you use to put the 4mm adapter for the bits, and then you use one of these bits here and you stick it in like this. Oh. And then you got a bit driver, and shoo. But we'll see if it works or not. Here, I think this alone right here is one of the main reasons why I went and got this to be part of my EDC. Let's put this away. All right, so that's the unboxing of the Roxon multi-tool. Pretty hefty, pretty big. Tools lock out. You have to push the lever to unlock them. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty hefty, but we'll see. Like I said. See how sharp this is. Yeah. It'll cut. Tontoish blade. And liner lock. And like I said, there's a variety of different blades, serrated, all kinds of utility blades that you could change this blade out with. So it's kind of versatile. And like I said, we'll see if it works. All right. Thanks for watching.